Hello guys, today we are going to change oil for Kawasaki Ninja 300. For this one, I'm not going to even take any panels off. I'm just going to use this plastic from here, take the oil filter, and this is going to be the oil pan holder nuts. In order to do that, you need number 17 socket. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this number 17 pocket, and I already take this nuts off. It's just for demonstration purpose. All right, when they open this, oils come from here. This motorcycle hold 2.3 quarter oils. After this oil pan is empty, you gotta go. I'm just going to use this inside the motorcycle and see we have an oil filter here, this guy, and I'm just going to take this one off, and I already loosed it. This is just for demonstration purpose. Okay, loose with your hands. There we go. I'm using that plastic bag there. I don't have aluminium. And here we go. This is out. Okay, this is going to be Kian for motorcycle. I believe this 303. Yeah, Kian 303. All right, let's put this one on the side, inside the plastic. And yeah, we have a new one here. We're gonna have this new oil filter. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put some oil around this rubber. Put back here. There we go. Also, you gotta tight this one. Okay, with the number 17 socket. I think this is good enough. Just you can tight. I don't have like torque demonstrations. For the oil, we are going to use I'm using the Mobile 10W40. This is mostly for motorcycles. This is like a $12 from AutoZone. I bought 2 quarters, even says 2.3 quarters. I'm just gonna put the 2 quarters. This is really tight. I'm using this guy. I don't want scratch. I'm using these things that just loose it. Okay. Take this, put here. Oh, don't forget, guys, we gotta tight this one too. Okay. Again, I don't have torque demonstration. I'm just gonna tight, not so crazy, but just tight normally, you know. All right, now I have this guy. I'm gonna put here and open this guy. Here you go. I'm gonna use this one. Put here. Bismillah. Just take your time, slowly. Not on the hurry. You know, feel good after you finish change your oil. Feel like, you know, I feel like I'm having haircut, you know, every time I change my oil on motorcycle or car. Make me feel good. I feel like I have fresh, feel like a haircut. I don't know, I feel like that feeling. Okay, this is good. Let's put second quarter. Here we go. This is good. Put this guy here. Take this and here we go. Put these things on sides. Let's take these bags off. It's just shopping bag, guys. Take this oil pan, put on the side. All right, 17 millimeter. Yes, I made a mess here. Shame on me. Put here. And let's check our oil level. I think it's all right. Yeah, in the middle. Yeah. In the middle. It's all right. Now we gotta turn on the bike. Now ready to go. You got a haircut or shower.